So there's this question of if you've been in business a long time, perhaps you're not on the same track you were. Maybe you lost track of the track you were on. And there's a certain question of, is it the same as it was? Why I started, is that still why I'm doing it? There's a number of thoughts. One, our niches are going to change. There's two fundamental reasons why niches change. One, the marketplace changes. I mean, Blockbuster, that the whole industry just gone. Napster, right? Yeah, there's all these things that were huge. I mean, vinyl records, they're kind of back as a niche thing, but all these industries change. So your whole industry could change or get saturated and flooded. My joke coming to a town like Austin, is usually it's like, are there any yoga teachers in town? Less than there were 4 years ago. I tell you, that's true though. Yep. Are there any? Of course there are. Now, if you were one of the first in that first wave of yoga teachers, you got it made. Yoga's cool and hip, and you're one of the few. Sometimes you're in a modality, and then Oprah mentions it. Now everybody wants it. And there's not many trainers. You just ride that for a while. There's no strategy. Just enjoy it. It's great. Life is good. But then they keep pumping out more trainers in that modality, and soon now you're just one of many. So now the marketplace has changed. So that's one reason your niche may change or have to refine or hone. And it's not bad news when the marketplace changes, because sometimes it's like, okay, we get to hone, we get to true ourselves a little bit so we were the all-purpose yoga studio, now there's 20 yoga studios, maybe we can let go of some of the stuff. Maybe there's something, the piece that we really want to own and you can hone. The other one is you might change. Who you are is not who you were. And you look at it and you think, oh man, I'm not even the same person. I don't want to do this anymore. And sometimes that means letting go of the business. Sometimes that means changing the business.